In this video, I'll guide you through how to restrict editing in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're working with sensitive documents or simply want to maintain the integrity of your content, learning how to control who can edit your PDFs is a crucial skill. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. This is your starting point. Once your document is open, navigate to the All Tools pane. You'll find this on the right side of your screen. Adobe Acrobat offers a wide array of tools, but for this task, you'll want to focus on the option labeled Protect a PDF. This feature is designed to ensure your document's security and is key to restricting editing permissions. After selecting Protect a PDF, you'll notice a secondary toolbar appear at the top of your screen. Here, you'll see an option that says Protect with Password. Click on this as it will allow you to specify exactly what kind of protection you want to enforce on your document. It's important to note that password protection is a fundamental aspect of securing your file as it controls who can access or modify it. Now, let's talk about the protection level. In this context, you're specifically interested in restricting editing capabilities. To do this, look for the radio button that corresponds to editing. By selecting this option, you're telling Adobe Acrobat that you want to limit users from making changes to the content of the document. This is an essential step in safeguarding your work from unauthorized alterations. The final step in this process is to set a password. This password will be required for anyone who attempts to edit the document, so make sure it's something secure and not easily guessed. Once you've entered your chosen password, go ahead and apply it. This action solidifies the restrictions you've set, ensuring that only those with the password can make edits to your PDF. And there you have it. You've successfully restricted editing in Adobe Acrobat. Remember, this method not only helps in preserving the original content of your document, but also adds a layer of security, giving you peace of mind when sharing your files. If you need to make any changes later, you can always revisit these steps to adjust the permissions or update the password as necessary. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful Adobe Acrobat tips and tricks. See you next time.